Artoonza.
Hey there, party superstars! Did you know the perfect birthday cake doesn't come from a bakery? Nope, it comes straight from your imagination. Today, we're drawing a birthday cake with a cherry on top, plus a fancy fork and spoon. Because eating cake with your hands is so last year. Unless you're at a really fun party, then go wild. We're going to drip, drop, and paint our way to a delicious-looking masterpiece that might make your stomach growl. Don't worry, you can't eat it, but your eyes will feast.
Aw, so cute.
Give us your like. Let's make some birthday magic. Let's party. Let's go. Subscribe now so we can keep sharing fun stuff with you. First up, we're dropping some ruby red magic on that cherry. 1 drip, 2 drips, and bam! Our cherry looks so juicy, you might try to pick it off the paper. Please don't. It's still wet. This is so amazing. Give us a big thumbs up. Now let's add some pink perfection to our cake layers. We're talking cotton candy dreams and princess vibes here. This pink is so sweet, even unicorns are jealous. Color, color, color. Our paintbrushes are dancing across this cake like they're at the world's fanciest art party. Swish, swish, gorgeous. Color, color, color. This pink layer is making our cake look sweeter than a puppy wearing a birthday hat. How cute is that?
So cute.
Time to drop some sunshine yellow. We're making this fork and spoon glow like it just won the lottery. This layer is brighter than my future, and that's saying something. More yellow, more magic. Because this masterpiece deserves double the sparkle and triple the fun. Ooh la la! Here comes the violet, the fanciest color in the crayon box. We're going full royal treatment here. This cake is about to look so elegant, it might demand its own throne. That violet color is so pretty. I think our birthday cake just became the fanciest dessert in art history. Our paint dropper is working harder than a baker on someone's 100th birthday. Drop by drop, we're creating magic. A birthday cake with a cherry on top, plus a fork and spoon, so beautiful you'll want to frame them instead of eating them. Actually, you can't eat them anyway, but you know what I mean. Smash that like button now. And we're back with more yellow because 1 layer of sunshine just isn't enough. We're finishing strong, adding that golden touch that says, this cake means business. Now that's what I call a grand finale.
Aw, so cute.
I know you've got this. I'm sure you can do it even better than me. A big kiss to everyone. See you next time. Thanks for watching. We hope you had fun.